Do you want to show to go home, buddy? Go home. So, here in the Philippines, they are commonly known as bukaw or guaco. So, our round of applause to our Philippine Eagle Owl named Tattoo. And now from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's move on to one of the largest birds of prey. And with that, I need your cooperation to please sit down and don't try to reach out the bird for your own safety. So, again, please sit down and no one will stand up because our bird is going to fly closer to you. So we have there our trainer, Mr. Ian. Are we good, sir? Everyone sit down. And please no flashes like this. Okay, so eyes here. So ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high. So our white Phyllis the Eagle, Marina. Alright, so white Phyllis the Eagle are also known as the king of the sea. So they have a white plumage from their head down to their underpart. And their back and wings are dark grey in color. So this kind of bird is a monogamous type of bird, meaning you will only have one partner for a lifetime. And they're mostly found in Tasmania, Australia, and Southeast Asia. And just like the other animals, the female is slightly larger than the male. So Marina is a female. And just like other birds of prey, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, especially aquatic animals like sea snakes and small fishes. So Marina is so busy doing her thing. Come on, Marina, landing to us, Debbie. Land here. So Marina is still enjoying the sunlight. Come here, Marina.
Uyog yung ko. I don't wanna go back. Ayaw na niya.
Land here, Marina.
Yung kakahaon niya ng pogo, yung kakahaon niya ng sabibo. Nagawas ako ano mo balik mo.
So monogamous means when their partner dies, that's the time when they look for another mating partner. Hey Marina, come here. We have something for you here, Marina.
Ano ba gano'n?
So our round of applause, our white Phyllis the Eagle, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here our flying lories all the way from Australia. So we have three types of lories: the dusky lories, chattering lories, and the blue and red lories. And to make this moment more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace.
Ay, mga dab.
Prosperity and harmony are beautiful features. Together with our scarlet ivies all the way from South America. And before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of our show. My partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, together with Marina, and the other bird trainer, Mr. Ian, Chris, Irvin, James, Rumnik, Miss Jihan, Rachel, and of course to our volunteer staff, Miss Anne, and to our salesman up there, Mr. Ricky, and last but not the least, our professional bird trainer, the man behind of this talented bird, Mr. Aitan, all the way from Singapore, together with our Malukan Cockatoo named Dan. And yours truly, my name is Ian.
And I'm Shervin, so thank you everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk. Thank you.